What's up, guys? Baker here, another tutorial, just like always. Gonna be going over some audio synced bars, waveform, spectrum thing, I don't know what to call it. But this is basically what I'm gonna be showing you guys. So I use this in Throwcam's edit and Dar's edit. It's pretty fun to use. And again, I use this little beat I made. Pretty simple. So let's get straight into it. Basically, you're gonna want to have a clip that is essentially not moving. Would be easiest, but because we're just gonna do some like hand tracking. We're not gonna do any special motion tracking. You could, but it's too hard. Well, for now. So basically, I got this clip, right? And it's synced and all that stuff, and then I just have some Twixtor, so it's pretty slow. So that'll make it easy to use. And just got a little bit of color correction, and if you want this, go ahead and check out the color correction giveaway. But let's go ahead and create a new solid, and we'll call this the audio waveform. And you want to do this, put it underneath your color correction. You want to do this in your final comp because you want to have your like your main montage song in the same composition as this solid. So this is gonna need to be like outside of everything with all your clips being brought together. So we'll go to Effect, Generate, Audio Spectrum, and turn it back on. And we get this cool little dot thingy. So let's set the audio layer to our beat, and let me just solo it really quick, and this is kind of what we get. So that's not too bad. So first thing I'm going to do is push U for the clip and see where the Twixtor starts. And I'm going to set a keyframe for the start and end point, and then just kind of line it up with this piece of wood over here. And I'm just going to move forward just a little bit, kind of fix it. And then move forward again, fix it again. This is just a little bit hand tracking, so be as precise as you want. I'm just gonna, let's see how that looks. It's not too bad, but you guys kind of get the idea, right? So I'll also start at the Twixtor and then just trim the clip, or actually we can just fade it in too. So T for opacity. Stopwatch, move forward a few frames, and so we'll just kind of fade on. Okay, so let's get into the settings here. So we got the start and end frequency. So the bottom is all the low notes, and the top is all the high notes. And I kind of want it to go to the kick again, so I'll just decrease the end frequency, which will go from a low note to like a middle note. So I bring this down to about 500. So you can see the waveforms are a little less choppy. It's like more thick. That's what I want. And we can change the side options to side A, so we only get the left side. And we can also change the colors, make it like a nice, what do I use? Like a yellow orange, and like a yellow. And we can set this to add, make it blend a little nicer. It's a little tiny, so we can change the maximum height. Bunch of settings you can use. So got that. That's a little too much, maybe like 1500. Frequency bands, that changes how many there are. So you can have it really thick, you can have it not as thick. There's a little offset in case your video is a little laggy. Thickness, softness, I turn that up. Yeah, that's about it. You can also change the style to like analog lines. That's kind of cool. I use that. Or I've been looking at that actually. So let's just kind of let me turn on color correction too as well. I forgot about that. Oh, and one more setting. Hue interpolation. This gets like a rainbow effect going on. So in case you want some rainbows, that out. So let's just RAM preview really quick, and that's about it. I mean, audio spectrum, keyframe the start and end positions, mess with your own settings to get what you want. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. Makes it look like you spent a lot of time editing when everyone knows you didn't, because it's pretty easy once you know all the secrets. Yep. And while we're waiting, go ahead and check out my second channel, BakersTuts, not tits, tuts. Yeah, don't know why I made that joke, but I did. So I'm gonna shut up now so we can watch this. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So that's about it. Like the video, guys, and you might get a free prize or something. I don't know. Yeah. So I think I'm done talking. Go check out these other tutorials, maybe. And if you do an edit with this, set it as a video response or send it as a message, and I'll check it out. And have fun, you guys. Thanks.